Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is the new TR that's come out, and this is going to be the unboxing, probably the first unboxing of this edition on YouTube, so I'm excited to do that. So, this is a reader's edition of the Textus Receptus, so that's a pretty uh, cool thing. The only reader's edition that I know of for the Textus Receptus, so we'll take a look at it. Um, see what it looks like here. Again, I'm pretty excited about this. This is not the edition of the TR that I had proposed at one time. This is a different edition. Little did I know that someone else was working on a different edition at the same time, so I was proposing mine. Here we open it. Wrapped it up nicely. Unwrapping it. We'll get our first glimpse of this. Right, here we are. This is the Greek New Testament, Textus Receptus, Reader's Edition. Open it up. Here's our first look at it. It is based on the FHA Scrivener text, and it has the preface of the 1633 Novium Testamentum Graeca, and translated from the original Latin. And they have a publisher's introduction. Everything looks really nice so far. This is a very nicely done sewn binding. Has a nice ribbon marker. And we're taking a look now. Okay, here we are. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful text. Beautiful layout. The marginal readings are quite small, which would be expected. So you've got a very nice large font here with large amount of space between the lines to make it very easy to read. And on a lot of pages, you're going to have a little bit of extra margin room to write. So that looks nice. Yeah, this looks very, very well done. Now let's look at it size comparison wise to the Tyndall and to the other Textus Receptus that's done by the Trinitarian Bible Society. You see quite a bit of size difference there. So this is very compact and small. This is a very handy size, but it's not necessarily going to slip in very nicely into your Bible case like the TR edition that's been put out by the Trinitarian Bible Society. But this is not too large at all to hold in your hands and just read. Just a beautiful, beautiful font. They have done an amazing job, set the bar quite high. And I understand that I think there's a lexicon at the back of this. So let's take a look. Yep, there you go. Greek English lexicon at the back. Very well done there. We'll go all the way to the back and see if there's anything to take note of in the very back. Okay. Yeah, here we have a little note about Grange Press. This is quite beautiful. Look at this. Look how much room you would have to write extra notes here on the first page of Matthew. Everything looks beautiful and well done. The people who have put this together, I understand, have a very high view, as you would expect, of the Textus Receptus, and I am tickled to death with this volume. Very attractive. You could definitely take this to church. It would look like just a regular Bible. So maybe I can give you a couple comparisons here, if I can. Let's see. Here is the Westminster from TBS, Westminster edition, and this is size comparison with that. So something along that size. So it's about the size of a regular Bible. Okay, so about the size of a regular Bible. Here's what it compares to when you think about the another comparable Greek New Testament. Okay, so this is no, this has no reader's edition or anything like that, but thickness wise, this is a little bit thicker, but This is definitely a more handy size. But look at the font size on this. So the Tyndall has a 10-point font, 10-point font on the Tyndall. This edition has just this really beautiful, larger font. I apologize, I've not probably recorded this in the best way so that you can um, maybe get all the good glimpses here, but this is just raw, unedited thoughts. You probably won't be able to see this, but the Reader's Edition on the TR here, Reader's Edition TR, is much more legible than the Tyndall House. So let's compare it to one other Reader's Edition. If I can put my hands on sorry about that. If I can put my hands on this Reader's Edition, this is the UBS Reader's Edition, and we're talking about a very comparable size, thickness, everything. This is very comparable to the UBS Reader's Edition. So if you're familiar with that at all, I again am tickled to death with this. Very happy that they've done something like this, put it together for the average reader, and it's beautiful. I like that they did it in black. That was smart. Brothers, well done. Good job on this. And there you go. There's your first look at the new Greek New Testament Reader's Edition.